thing is crooked. Okay. So, I'm for my big grocery shopping trip. I have to stop in Hobby Lobby to get a few things to work on my gala gown. I'm going to do an update on that tomorrow. I've got to get some more thread and some trim. And then, what else do I have to do? I think I'm going to go to Aldi first. And then I'll go to Kroger. I think Kroger has chicken on sale right now, and they have a big 5 buy 5 save 5 deal. So that's going to be my next thing. I'm trying to not look too awkward because the car to my left are looking at me like, what are you doing? I don't know how much I'm going to film in the store. I'm very self-conscious. I'm awkward anyway. So, you know, it is what it is. But, alright, we'll see how this goes, guys. So I have determined that I am horrible at vlogging. Like, I'm such a nervous Nelly. I get so nervous when people are like around me and I go to film. Twice while I was in Aldi. See? That's where I'm at, Aldi. I got to like a row where there was no one around me. I was like, let me grab my camera. I pull my camera out and then there's like 50 people around me. Y'all see what I get at home. Okay guys, so I'm back from the grocery store. I completely failed at vlogging in the store. Okay. I'm going to show you what all I bought. Not everything is for keto, but I do have 2 other people who I am feeding who are not necessarily, I forgot this bag of stuff, doing keto. So I did buy some stuff that was more for them. And then my official keto eating starts tomorrow. So we have, what we're going to have tonight is not keto friendly. So at Kroger I got 2 flats of chicken. One is bone-in chicken breast and the other one is chicken breast. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them, I'm going to individually bag them and put them in the freezer so that I can get them out to do 1 or 2 meals just for me. I got green beans. Now these fresh green beans my family actually loves, and what I'll do is put them in a cast iron skillet with a little bit of Mrs. Dash and a little butter and just saute them with some onion, and my family loves that. Red onion, green onion. Hey, I got, this is Oprah's That's Good. This is the cauliflower crusted pizza. It's a supreme. Now, for 1/5 of a pizza, which is about 2 slices, it's got 320 calories and it has 39 carbs. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, and keto starts tomorrow. I got Johnsonville Better Cheddar sausages. So a serving is 1 link and it has 2 carbs. I like to take this and I'll cut it up with scrambled eggs. Cucumbers, which we all eat. Jimmy Dean bacon. This is the thick bacon that has 0 carbohydrates for 2 slices. I got spiral cheese. These are cheese sticks. Let me bring you guys in a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. Now, this is something that's not keto friendly, but I bought it for my husband. He absolutely loves this Irish cream coffee creamer, and you can't find it everywhere here. So he gets it like twice a year. I got the Kroger brand raw shrimp with shells on because it's 1 carb for 7 shrimp, and it was on clearance for $5 and it's frozen. I figured that would be really good for a salad. I got pepperoni, 0 carbs for 15 slices. I got these for my daughter because it's her favorite food. This is the marinara sauce that I got. I'm going to, with some of the bone-in chicken breast, I'm going to stuff them with mozzarella cheese and then bread them in coconut and almond flour and bake them. And then for my husband and my daughter, I'm going to turn it into Parmesan But this is the Private Collection marinara sauce. It doesn't take a lot. It says that a serving is half of a cup, but I can take that and use half of that, a quarter of a cup to put on top of my chicken breast, and it'll be about 6 carbs. All right, this is another food that's for my daughter for her lunch, and I don't like those, so. I did get Cheerios. These have really high carbs, and people think they're like the be-all, end-all, super, super healthy. Not for me. This is for my husband before he goes to work. I hate them things. Celery. Extra sharp cheddar cheese from Aldi. I got Parmesan cheese because I want to make fathead bread. Some strawberries. I got butter and cream cheese. 2 dozen eggs that I got at the local farmer's market. These are the best pickles ever. Okay, let's see. 1 carbohydrate for a dill pickle spear. These are called Farm to Pack in 5 days fresh deli pickles, kosher dill pickles. What company is this? These are at Kroger. They're expensive. They're kind of like a knockoff of the Clausen pickle. These are amazing. Okay. And then I got some fresh cilantro and fresh oregano. I did not buy any salad mix yet. I'm going to get that stuff a little bit later. I think tomorrow morning. Because Kroger and Aldi are still really expensive to me for a bag of salad. I don't like bagged salad, and heads of lettuce were expensive today in my eyes. Now, I can go to a farmer's market down the road that'll have a fresh cut head of lettuce for 99 cents. Well, even at Aldi today, a head of romaine lettuce was like $1.89. So I'm going to go tomorrow morning to the farmer's market and get stuff for salads. My game plan for this week is I'll be having eggs with sausage and cheese. I will be having, that's for breakfast. For lunch, I will have a salad with either chicken or shrimp. And then for dinner each day, I have a protein planned with vegetables that will vary for me versus my family. I'm actually really excited about it. I had planned on starting today, but work today just went crazy and I was super busy all day. Not that that's an excuse, just that I'm just now getting back to the grocery store. I have to put all of this away, get back in my car, drive 30 minutes to pick my daughter up, drive back, and then it's already going to be 7:30 when we get home. So for tonight, since I haven't officially started yet, we're going to have this pizza situation. Sorry, guys. Alright, if you saw something that I did wrong here, feel free to let me know. I'm not saying openly criticize me or make fun of me if I made a mistake. I'm telling everyone I'm starting on this journey tomorrow. Don't come at me. But if you have like honest criticism, please feel free to let me know. Beyond that, I think that's it for today. Remember 3 things. Number 1, you are worth the time that it takes to lose weight. Number 2, your life is worth the effort that you have to put into it. And number 3, you are loved. Until next time, guys, it's Tired Mama. Bye.